Anyway, so it holds the heat well, naturally non-stick.
I mean, when we say hold the heat, you have that thing on high and then you can turn it off and it still cooks for another 15 minutes.
Yeah, and that's what a lot of people like about it, but also don't like about it because there's like a learning curve, but because it stays
Burn
warm.
count?
Yeah, because it stays warm, you can make the food, and like we do when we're camping, you can make it in parts.
Well, yeah, we cook it in the 8-inch skillet, get whatever we're cooking, like eggs or hash browns.
Yeah.
Get them cooked, and then put the lid on it and set it over on the ground, and it's still cooking or staying warm for 20 minutes later.
Oh yeah, for sure. And even it doesn't have to be, potatoes. It can be vegetables or what have you, meat, etc. Obviously, like some meats you don't want to overcook
yeah.
or keep cooking.
And the advantage to cast iron. Iron is a mineral. It's a supplement that all bodies need. So as you're cooking, there are microscopic particles that are coming off that you're going to ingest and your body is going to beneficially utilize for your health and well-being.
Now, it's not proven that it can help. Like if you actually have anemia, it's not proven that it can help.
No, it's not a fix.
That. No, but it does give you, supplement iron. It's pretty easy to clean.
Well, you can lose friends and you put it in the dishwasher. People, that's forbidden. Some people will take the same cast iron and all they do is whatever they've cooked, they will take and wipe it out with a paper towel or a rag, and that's it. They'll put it back on wherever they're storing, and then they'll recook on. They continue to season it. And if it was pork chops tonight, they'll wipe it out and put green beans in it tomorrow, and lamb in it on Friday night. They don't scrub it. They don't put it in the dishwasher.
A lot of people eat lamb on Friday night.
I don't know. I'm using that as an example.
All right. It's also affordable when you might think, how is that affordable? I've looked at the prices, but because they last
buy one, cry
forever.
Buy once, cry once.
Right. They last forever, essentially. And I mean, Joey has seen them, and I've seen them at like thrift stores or yard sales.
Like
whatever.
Retail price.
Right. No, we've seen them at yard sales, and you've done the
reseason them. Yeah. They've if the thing could sell storage. I know Griswold is a very popular old variety that people like long to get. That's like a collector's version, and the markings on the bottom. But you can find any of these videos that this pan was in this barn for as long as I can remember, and this gentleman is very up in age, and he takes it and does the thing and season it, and then boom, it's like a brand new pan. I've taken old rusty ones and turned them into operational brand new seasoned. If they get rusty, wipe some oil in them, put them on a hot fire or in the oven. Right away, they're back seasoned.